Hey guys, it's Holly from Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to hand letter using your Cricut. For this project, I'll be using a Sharpie, but you can use any pen or marker. You just want it to have a bold look. So I'm just going to start by drawing out my design, and you can do this with any doodle or lettering. So once I have it traced, I'll go over it to make my lines thicker and to round out my rough edges. If your edges are still a little rough, you can use your Cricut pen or a fine point pen to trace the outline of your design to make it smoother. Then using my camera, I'll just take a snapshot of the design. If you have mobile design space, you can upload from there, or for the computer, you can message or email yourself to upload from your PC. For mobile design space, I'll just use the wand to tap away the negative areas. If you upload and your edges are still a little rough, you can use the smoothing feature to help round out your design. And from here, I'll name and save my image. Now that it's ready to cut, I'll just resize and make it. After my Cricut has made the cut, I'm just going to trim away the design from the vinyl and save the rest for another project. Then I'll use my weeding tool to pick out the small pieces of extra vinyl. Now I'll lay my design over my transfer tape, trim to fit, peel the transfer tape from the backing, place over my design, and then I'll burnish over to make the vinyl stick to the transfer tape. Then I can peel the transfer tape from the backing and place it onto my project. Peel your transfer tape and your project is finished. So thanks for watching, and you can explore more at shopcraftables.com.